Let me show you how you can create curved text in Canva, just like this. Let's go.
First of all, we need to add some text. I'm gonna just change the font here. I'll choose this one, Montserrat Medium. Like this. Let me see, I'll make it a bit bigger. I think this is a good size. And now let's start. Let's type in anything. Important for you to notice is that this will just work with 2 words, maybe 3 words max. Sometimes you just have to write 1 word. If you write a whole sentence, this is not going to work, okay? Now you go to Effect, and right down here you see Curve, and now we can control the direction of the curve the way we want it. Now we're going to play a bit, so we will adjust the text to the curves that we want to have here. You just have to place the text where you need it to be first, and then you can adjust how the curve is going to look, okay? So a bit more or less curved, and that's it. You just go ahead and practice and try out. Sometimes you see you're going to go back and adjust again. Just because it doesn't work from the first time, you have to get a feeling for it. Also, me, I'm just like doing this like while I'm recording this video, and I see, oh, okay, this I could have adjusted this a little bit better. Let me see. Yeah, maybe now it works better. It's a back and forth. So you're happy with how the curves are doing. Sometimes I also use the arrows of the keyboard so that it adjusts super like well. And just try it out until you're happy with the curve. In this case, you see I have the text. I want to put it behind the shoe. So you just have to go to Position and Layers. And now I'm going to put it behind the shoe here. So it disappears. Still want to adjust a bit. That's pretty much it. Of course, you can adjust it to perfection, but for the purpose of this video, I'm just doing this now very quickly. And I bet to ask, where did I get those curves, right? So these are just common lines in Canva. So if you go to the elements and search for line, a very simple line element that you see in the shapes here, you just take a very normal line. Let me take this one, but I won't choose any arrow, you see. And now I'm going to make it super big. I think I used 100% even. And then I curved the line, and I was just copying and pasting the same line all over until I got the shape that I wanted using this design. So that's how you can also do this, you see. So I hope this tutorial was useful for you, so you know how to create curved text in Canva as well as some different curvy lines.